Can you find the equivalent resistance between X and Y in just a few seconds? This looks tricky at first, but it's actually very simple once you spot the pattern. Pause the video right now and comment your answer before proceeding for the solution. Let's see how many of you can solve it correctly. Welcome to Electrical Engineering XYZ, where we solve electrical engineering problems in the simplest way. First, observe the circuit carefully. Between point X and point Y, the network is divided into two separate paths, one branch on the top and one branch on the bottom. Since both branches are connected across the same 2 points, these branches are in parallel. Now let's calculate the resistance of the top branch. The top branch has 4 resistors, and each resistor is 10 ohms. All 4 are connected in series. In a series connection, resistances are added directly. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 gives us 40 ohms. Same for bottom branch, the equivalent is 40 ohms. So now the entire circuit is simplified to 40 ohms in parallel with another 40 ohms. When two equal resistances are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance becomes half of one of them. So 40 divided by 2 equals 20 ohms. Therefore, the equivalent resistance between X and Y is 20 ohms. Alternatively, you can use parallel resistors formula. Did you get the correct answer? Subscribe to Electrical Engineering XYZ for more quick and easy electrical engineering solutions.